How to withdraw Worldcoin to Coinbase. Let's get started. While there is no direct way to withdraw Worldcoin to Coinbase, here's what you can do. So first, you want to copy the address of the withdrawal address on your Worldcoin. Then after that, you want to go to your Coinbase and then add the crypto to your Coinbase. So here's how you do it. You can do it by transferring your crypto directly from your Coinbase account and then to your wallet by linking your account in Worldcoin. And if you select the buy button, you'll be prompted to log into your Coinbase account, and from there, you can see which crypto is available to be moved to your wallet, and just choose the coin and enter the desired amount, and you're all set. Now, from there, you want to copy the address that you have generated in WorldCoin. So if in WorldCoin, once you click the withdraw button, you'll get generated a wallet address that you can copy and paste in Coinbase. Now, after that, you can now withdraw the funds from Coinbase by signing into the Exchange tab, clicking Trading tab under the wallet balance, and then select the withdraw, and then select for the asset you would like to withdraw and choose your withdrawal method. And into the field, you can use the external wallet address, which is what you copied from WorldCoin. And then after that, you can enter the amount you'd like to send, then click withdraw, and just enter your two-step verification, and then you're done with the transaction. And that's how you withdraw WorldCoin to Coinbase.